trying to stay alive in the battle for the playoffs. Welcome, everybody, along with Lincoln Kennedy and Chris Townsend. I'm Brent Musburger with the Chargers, and their fan base will be outnumbered in Southern California by the Raider fans.
We here, man. Been a long season, but it's time to have some fun today. Time to have some fun today, man. The Raider Nation in the building. This our stadium. Let's take over, baby.
It's another day in paradise, man. Another day to do what we love, man. We gonna get to it. You know how I go.
This is our home game. Let's take over SoCal.
Hey, we got another home game. It's about to be lit.
This is the home game. This stadium gonna be rocking. It's gonna be live. Feed off it. Feed off it, man. Let's go out here. We owe it to our fans. We owe it to the nation. We owe it to each other. Yeah. Let's go out here and get a dub. Come on, man. Savages on three. 1, 2, 3. Savages.
And now Derek Carr is changing up at the line of scrimmage. Yep. And he's got to get it going, and he does. Takes a snap of the gun, fires, complete, first down, 40, 35, headed for the end zone. Hunter Renfrow, welcome back, buddy. Touchdown, Raiders. Oh, my, what a difference number 13 makes for the Raiders.
The game on us, put it on us. So get ready for that type of day, baby. Let's have fun. Runners on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Just out of the pocket, fires over the left, high, incomplete. And terrific coverage that time by Mr. Lawson.
If you were to let Phillip Rivers block you, go to their sideline. All right? Go to their sideline.
14 seconds. Tighten up to the left. Play action, rolls hard to the right. Carr.
Run it in.
Running to the pylon. Carr steps inside the pylon. Got a touchdown, Raiders.
As we said, this is a heavy Raiders crowd here in LA. They're going crazy.
It's unbelievable how many Raider fans are here today.
Keep it up. That's a great first half.
No matter what happened today, bro, you only get so many of these, bro.
Right, that's right.
You only get so many of these, bro.
Right.
Never have to question our effort, bro. We're gonna have the best effort on the field all day, man.
That's right.
And impose your will, bro.
6:20 to play in the third quarter. This quarter has been all Raiders.
Washington's in, fresh back, cuts, hits, end zone, touchdown, Raiders! Opening drive, third quarter, staying alive. That's the theme today, and the Raiders are staying alive so far.
You know, if they run, start to run, they pass, rush the pass. Don't go out there and get the guessing. You know what I mean? Play balanced football and let it come to you. Don't chase them, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go.
Hey, now they got to throw it. Go get you one. Why not?
Yes, sir.
Go get him. Go get him.
Let's go. Hey, we got y'all up front, bro.
Rivers backs it up. In pursuit, is the defense going to be sacked, but there's a penalty flag too. This is probably going to go against the Chargers. Cleve Ferrell, the number 4 pick of the draft, with what could be a huge sack by number 96. I have to believe this is a holding penalty against the Chargers.
Holding, offense, number 79. The penalties decline, third down.
It's at 45 seconds, 6 on that clock. 5, 4, 3. He took it inside. He took it down to 1. Hand off to Washington. Cuts to daylight. Big gain. Broke free.
Okay.
First down. Game over. Raiders stay alive.
Hey, what's up, Raider Nation? Thank y'all for supporting us, man. It's a home game out here. Way to represent, y'all.
All right, we proved a lot today. Not to everybody else, but to us. It's all about us.
Bring it up. Let's go, family on 3. 1, 2, 3.